considered a boutique law firm. We focus solely on representing employers in California. Well, if an enterprise member needs the services of an attorney, they have the opportunity to reach out to Cook Brown, and at that time we have the opportunity to make sure that Cook Brown is the right fit for the enterprise member. And we again make a commitment that we will reach out to that enterprise member within that first 24 hours, and they have the opportunity then to speak directly with myself or one of my partners, and we have that chance to talk directly with them. We treat every enterprise member like they're our own clients. We will make a commitment to every single one of those members that we take them on, and we will work passionately with them.
Our labor and employment group is a full service labor and employment group. We felt like we could offer a real service as part of the enterprise membership in that we have a lot of years of experience. We want to make sure that we're meeting the enterprise members' need in terms of what they're seeking from us and do it in an efficient way. The first thing I would say to a potential client is if you're not an enterprise member, it's really something you should look into, because the advantage, of course, is the 2 hours of discounted legal services. Legal services are expensive. There's just no two ways about it. Hiring a lawyer is an expensive proposition. And so the opportunity to at least get a couple of hours at a sharply discounted rate, it's 50% discount at our firm. So a sharply discounted rate it is really a great benefit. At least have that 2-hour conversation where we can kind of figure out and triage your situation and come up with a plan, and you can get that at a real discounted rate. Then if there's more to it than that, let's figure out how we're going to move forward from there.